In this video, you'll learn how to book a home massage using Wecasa. By following these steps, you will be able to schedule a relaxing massage at your convenience. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website or opening the Wecasa app on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the booking process. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the button labeled Book a Massage. This action will direct you to the booking interface where you can start the process of scheduling your massage. Next, you will be prompted to enter your home address. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately. Providing the correct address is essential for the massage professional to reach you without issues. After entering your address, click the button that says See Prices. This will display the available services along with their corresponding prices, allowing you to review your options before proceeding. You will then need to choose between a male or female massage professional. Make your selection based on your comfort preferences and then click Next to continue. At this point, you will select the type of massage you wish to receive. Options may include relaxing or deep tissue. After making your choice, proceed by clicking Next once more. You will now choose the duration of your massage session. Consider how much time you would like to allocate for this relaxation experience and select the appropriate duration before clicking Next. Following this, you will pick a date for your booking. A calendar interface will appear, allowing you to select a convenient day. After choosing a date, proceed to select a time that works for you. Once you have selected both the date and time, click the Next button to move forward in the booking process. This step will allow you to review all details of your booking. Take a moment to review your booking details thoroughly. Ensure that everything is correct, including the address, type of massage, duration, date, and time. If everything looks accurate, click Book My Session to finalize your appointment. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.